So you love keeping your vehicle clean, but don't want to rewash your car completely every day, or spend a fortune at the car wash. It sounds like you need to get yourself some waterless car wash products. Waterless car wash products are a cheap and easy way to keep your ride looking like new. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best waterless car wash products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash. Perfect for urban dwellers, those with limited access to water, or the hot rodder who just arrived at a cruise. Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax safely lifts away dirt and grime while leaving behind a protective layer of hydrophobic wax. In as little as 15 minutes, this new formula can morph a drab and dirty appearance into a stunning, clean and shiny car without a drop of water. What's more, depending on how dirty the car is, a single bottle, along with the help of a few microfiber towels, can wash and wax up to 5 average-sized cars. To use this spray, simply mist onto the surface of the vehicle and gently wipe away using a Meguiar's Supreme Shine or other high-quality microfiber towel. Wash and Wax Anywhere spray's unique chemistry ensures a scratch-free finish when used as directed, as special lubricants and cleaning agents safely loosen and then gently remove the dirt. Follow with a quick wipe from a clean, dry towel and the surface is left with a beautiful, glossy, just waxed finish. Waterless Wash and Wax is also safe to use on all wheel types, plus rubber, vinyl, and glass. Number 2. Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. Simply the best waterless car wash. Gently cleans and protects while leaving a non-stick, UV protective coating on all vehicle surfaces both inside and out. Also, compatible with all other waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. Just spray on and wipe dry. Wash and wax anywhere, anytime, parking lots, garages, work, school, apartments, RV parks, and more. Highly performance aircraft quality wax for your car, boat, and RV. Once you see the difference, you will never use automotive products again. Used by Air Force One, Marine One, NASA, the military, airlines, and corporate and private aircraft owners around the world. This is a high-quality, easy-to-use product. Water-based, alcohol and ammonia-free. Our plant-based eco-friendly formula is biodegradable and safe on all surfaces both inside and out. Meets Boeing aircraft and McDonnell Douglas cleaning specifications. Also, it's human-friendly with no eye or skin irritation like some other automotive products. Kit includes 1 full gallon of wash wax all. Number 3. Optimum No Rinse Wash Showroom Shine. This powerful and safe no-rinse car wash and wax restores your car to its original shine, while only using gallons of water for a complete clean. Works like magic. The new formula of this rinseless car wash contains polymers that improve encapsulation and create a greater barrier between dirt and your vehicle's finish. For home and pro, simple enough for the busy weekend warrior, but strong enough for the professional detailer. No complicated equipment needed for a professional car wash and wax. A wash for all seasons. Wash the road salt off your vehicles comfortably inside a garage during the wintertime with minimal wetness. Conserve water during summer droughts. Cleans and protects. The included Carnauba wax provides weeks of UV protection to your vehicle without adding an extra step. Save time while protecting with Wash and Wax Car Wash. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Waterless Car Wash. Chemical Guy's Eco Smart Concentrate is a complete, waterless detailing system that cleans, shines, and protects any vehicle. Eco Smart Concentrate is formulated using a unique eco-based natural carnauba to emulsify and lift dirt away from the surface. The concentrated formula is designed to clean more cars with 1 bottle. Mix the product to your desired cleaning power, mist it over any dirt and grime on the vehicle, and watch as the solution lifts, lubricates, and separates the grime from the paintwork. Once suspended in the solution, dirt and debris can safely be removed without scratching the vehicle's exterior using a premium microfiber towel. The unique eco-based natural carnauba protects any vehicle and enhances shine. Perfect for washing your car anywhere, anytime. Clear exterior surface, including paintwork, glass, polished metals, clear optical plastics, and much more. Number 5. Reed's Garage Spray on Car Wash. Quickly and safely clean your car to a brilliant shine anytime, anywhere without a hose, bucket, or water. High lubricity liquid, so it lifts dirt and grime off the paint surface and encapsulates harmful particles, allowing you to safely wipe them away. Safe and effective cleaning. The agent busts through road grime, dirt, and bugs. Designed for use with Greats Garage, microfiber spray on car washcloths. Won't strip off waxes or sealants already on the surface. Have the ability to maintain and wash your car without the need for a hose and warm weather. Spray on car wash is perfect for year-round. Convenient car washing. Spray on car wash will continue to break down the road with grime and dirt while it sits on the car's surface, followed up by a simple wipe, and the car is left clean. Spray on car wash has great lubricity, wipes off easily, and reveals a streak-free clean. That is all on my end. I make accommodating recordings every day, so do subscribe to my channel. To find out about item costs, truly do look at my portrayal. For any sort of issue, if it's not too much trouble, remark underneath. Remain refreshed with our cool items, as they will make your life a lot more straightforward. Thank you.